Hi grade 2, this is your geography class and we are on week 6, that's from April 5 to 9, 2020. Since we have discussed islands last week, we are now going to discuss one example of an island country and that is Bahrain. So the title of our lesson is Bahrain, an island country. The references that your teacher used for this lesson are your Geography 2 students book and Geography 2 students workbook, specifically pages 18 to 19. What are our learning objectives? We have two. First, we will note important details about the island country Bahrain. Second, we will identify different activities that people do in Bahrain. Okay, let us start. This is how Bahrain looks like. So if you will take a look, it's an example of an island country because you will see islands like this one. Bahrain is a small country in the Arabian Gulf. It is a group of 33 islands in total. Arabian Gulf is this one, so that includes Saudi Arabia, where you are right now. You have Oman, UAE, you have Kuwait, Qatar, and Bahrain here. Look how small Bahrain is. Okay, if you would try to make it bigger, Bahrain looks like this. Its capital is Manama there, and the rest of these places are all the other islands that compose Bahrain. Okay, now we say that more than 1 million people live on the islands of Bahrain. Most of them live in or near the capital city, which is called Manama, like what I told you a while ago, this one. Okay, but there are, even though it's really small, there are millions, or 1 million rather, of people that live on all of those islands. Okay, now we ask ourselves the question, how does Bahrain, like the other countries, make money? Okay, the first place, the money used in Bahrain is called the Bahrain dinar. Okay, these are how their bills look like. This is their 10 dinar. This is their 1 dinar. And these are how their coins look like. So they have bills and they have coins. Okay? There are actually two main sources of money in Bahrain. Okay? First, Bahrain earns most of its money by selling oil and natural gas to other countries. Second, some of Bahrain's money also comes from people who visit Bahrain on holidays. So that's where the people in Bahrain get the money that they use for their everyday life. Now, what about the food that they eat? Okay, let's talk about farming in Bahrain. Most of Bahrain is low desert. That means the farmers on Bahrain grow different kinds of fruits and vegetables. But it's not only fruits and vegetables. They also grow dates in the oasis here, since it's still a desert place. Okay, they grow dates in the oasis, and some farmers also keep chickens and other animals, and that's what they use for food. But even though they have fruits and vegetables, they have dates, and they have chickens and other animals. You need to know that Bahrain, since it's small, cannot produce all the food it needs, so a lot has to be bought from other countries as well. Okay, so farmers grow vegetables, fruits, they take care of animals, and they grow dates. But it's still not enough, so they need to buy from other countries. Okay, that is what Bahrain is all about. Now, for your activity, I want you to get your Geography 2 workbook and I want you to answer pages 18 to 19 of your book. After which, I want you to take a picture of those two pages and send the pictures to your geography teacher's email address. You will submit your homework on the last day of the week, that's April 9, Thursday. Okay, to guide you where to submit your homework, your activity. These are the email addresses of all the geography teachers. For two orderliness, you will submit it to Teacher Michelle. This is her email address. For two obedience, you will submit it to Teacher Rose. This is her email address. For two wonder, you will submit it to Teacher Myrick. This is her email address. For two optimism, you will submit it to Teacher Marge. This is her email address. And for two unity, you will submit it to Teacher Sarah. This is her email address. Okay, got it? Okay, that's our lesson for this week. I hope you learned something about the island country Bahrain. I'll see you again next week, grade 2. Thank you.